Hello guys! B-25U rail review. It's a rail for installation of grips at an angle of 45 degrees. I will show you how to put it on a grip and tell you about its features. My name is Anastasia. B-25U rail is designed for Zenitco grips RK-0, RK-1, RK-2, RK-4 and RK-6. It is not compatible with other Zenitco grips, so it is not compatible with the L line of grips, the one which is made for basis rail, only with those that I've named earlier. Initially, we designed B-25U for machine gunners. Why? It's about the ergonomics of machine guns. It has this box magazine, and when the machine gunner is holding his weapon, it is much more comfortable when the grip is slightly moved to the side at an angle of 45 degrees. In this case, the box does not interfere. I will show you. Will not hold it for long, as the weight and size of PKM is comparable with my weight and size, but machine gunners are strong guys, and it is very comfortable for them to have this option. And actually not only for machine gunners. I personally saw how people use that on other types of weapons, on AK-105 and so on. So actually you can put it anywhere you want with a Picatinny rail. So it depends on your comfort and your imagination. And as for the PKM, I can recommend you to use it together with RK-2 grip, because it is the longest grip that we have, and it is the most comfortable option for machine gunners. The principle of installation of B-25U is the following. The grip has a grip part and an upper part with a mount on Picatinny rail, and this part can be taken off and can be replaced by B-25U. To do that, you unscrew this screw on the top of the grip. The hex key is in the kit. Then slide the upper part and replace it with B-25U. Screw in the screw. The installation is finished. Simple. After you've installed B-25U rail on a grip, it's time to install it on Picatinny rail. For example, on this PKM, RK-2 grip is installed on B-50 handguard. You can buy B-25U rail, our grips and other products made by Zenitco on our website en.zenitco.ru or from official partners. The list of our partners is on en.zenitco.ru in partners section. If you have any questions left, please write them down in comment section, press the like button if you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in next videos. Goodbye!